Hey, what's up, guys? Boys Fishing Crew. Yesterday we went out fishing, all three of us, but today we have a different things that we got to do, agenda. We are trying to fix my car. Boom. Got Gary, got Norvin, Sherman right here. We're trying to fix the water pump. Trying to fix the water pump. He went out on me on Thursday. It started to leak, so we got the parts ready. Shout out AutoZone, hooking us up with the parts. Shout out Cragen, hooking us up with the tools. Cragen O'Reilly. Oh, my bad, not Cragen. Let me get that up. O'Reilly. I'm still used to calling them Cragen. So we're gonna try to get this thing down. We currently just got the fan and the belt out. Took a little while get it out because, you know, needed some muscle. I didn't do it. Gary and Grant Norvin did it. They have more of the muscle. So I'm gonna show you guys things that we're doing in this car. Wish us luck. Hopefully we get this thing done today. So, all right, guys. Kailan ba, maglinis pa ba yun? Nalagay ko yung sa ilalim? Ha? Maglilik?
Mix mo na lang yung isa. Di ba puro yun?
Oo. Okay. So, paano natin i-drain? Kailangan mo ng plastic?
Ayun.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're here. I just got back, pretty much.
Some of these right here.
I had to go get a container for the water because we had to drain the water out, and I was missing a silicone, so I had to buy this at O'Reilly. Shout out O'Reilly. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing. On the bottom, we're draining all the waters. Gary is getting all the little screw. He's taking it out. Hey Gary, pull it out, boy. Oh! So we pull it out. All the parts right there. There you go. It's a water pump. So it looked. This is the original water pump. It's been in there since this car was made. We're gonna replace it with something else, brand new, right there. So we're gonna just try this thing out, and we're gonna show you guys when we're putting it in. You know. All right. Peace. So this is Gary. Gary, why did the water pump start leaking some coolant and water?
Dito.
Okay. Done.
Gaya. Hindi ako ulam namin mamaya, ham. Pizza with ham.
Hindi. Kala ko
Mutikan mo wala H. This is the sira. The sira is the gasket. The gasket is sira.
Oh, okay. So what he's pointing at is the sealant from here, as you can see, is black, right? And then right here, where the silver part, there's no more sealant, the silicone sealant. So that's probably where he was leaking the agua. Right there.
Touch it.
Okay. Hey, good explanation, Gary. I'll give you a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alright guys, so we are here. We lubed up the gasket and we put it in to where the water pump goes, and Gary's screwing it in. and you know, we'll get it in there. So let's see this. Let's see what he's doing here. We have a 4 assistant. One's holding the screw, and then 3 just standing around. One was the other one's doing the video, of course. We'll never get this recorded if I ain't doing nothing. No man. So here we go. All right, so you have to screw it in the right way and put all the silicones. There's a certain groove to where you gotta put in the alignment for the water pump, where the water pump goes. Pretty easy. All the screws and the lug nuts, they're all in the same size, so you don't have to put a certain screw in a certain hole. You just, you know, go one by one and be safe. So his arm just got tired, so he switched with another arm.
Malaking yan.
Nami!
Jasri.
No, Jasri. Nox ne, Jasri ne. All right. We're getting another tools. And if we're talking kind of mellow right now, we ran out of sugar in our body, kind of hungry, so we're just mellowing down. But once we eat, it's all like Donkey Kong. Yeah. All right, show you more on the video. All right, guys. So update: we are putting the Serpentine belt in. As you can see, we got to get the manual to see how is the belt, you know, is going over the pulley. The hardest part is trying to get it right, because getting it right is always the hardest. So what you're gonna need is to adjust the tensioner, loosen it up so you can get your Serpentine belt in the line while you're putting the Serpentine belt in there. You have to pull down the tensioner. So he's apparently hey guys, yesterday fixing the car, we didn't really have an ending. Explaining to you guys when we fixed the car. So after the last video, we put the coolant on the radiator and also the reservoir. Started the car, make sure there's no leak, and you know, we started, stopped it, stopped it, see, built up the heat. Looked around the sealant, there was no leak on the car, so we you know, went out, finished the job, chilled. I just want to give a thank you to Gary and Kuya Norvin for coming over to Chris Sherman's house. Shout out to Chris Sherman for letting my car stay on that driveway so we could fix it. And then we went fishing afterwards. So I want to say thank you to them two, or to them three. You know, so alright guys, till next time. That was just a short vlog. I wasn't gonna vlog when we were working the car, so I just popped out my camera and stopped vlogging. So alright, peace, adios, much love.